my channel. I'm Bhavna and today in this video I'm going to do an eyeshadow look. I have done all the prior things, which is contouring, foundation, concealer, blush, everything, and it just left with the final touch and our eyeshadow came. Also, before we go further, if you want to subscribe, you can go tap on the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use my color board eyeshadow palette, which is from Beauty Glaze, my new palette. So let me tell you, this eyeshadow look is gonna be total glittery eyeshadow look. So for that, I'm going to pick this shimmery blue shade, which is right here, and I'm going to use my angled brush to make a crease. I'm going to dip it more and give it a more defined line. Don't forget that under the line we don't have to mess it up, because there we're gonna apply glitter, but above you can mess it up because you know that's anyway going to be blended out. So I'm going to take again another brush and blend it out. I want to give it a little dimension, so I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Salvation palette. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is darker blue than that and which is matte. I'm going to dip it in and put it in the middle of it. Just like that. Again, I'm going to blend it in. So this is how it is going to look. And now the most interesting fact, that you don't need concealer for this. If you want, you can use concealer, but I'm not using it right here. So this is from HR. It's an eyeliner, but I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow. If you all can see how pretty is that glitter shade. So I'm going to use this glitter shade under the crease which we have left. So this is gonna be a very easy technique. You don't have to cut the crease and put the concealer in a different area. I'm just going to do a black line under it, but when it dries. Until then, we can move on to our lower lash line, where I'm going to use the blue shadow which was there in my Salvation palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use this shade under my eye. It is still wet. My patience is losing, guys. So I think it's dried now, and now I'm going to do is my liner, and for my liner I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Color So Kajal. Also, once it dries, it doesn't smudge, guys. It's very beautiful. I'm going to use my blue kajal under my waterline and my black kajal over the top. Our step would be the mascara, and for that I'm going to curl my lashes. So I'm done with both of my eyes. For my lips, I'm going to use this shade, which is from Maybelline New York Sensational Matte in 09. I'm going to give a red tint over it because it's not what I want the look to be. So for this look is glossy, I want my gloss to be on. So my gloss is on, and this is my complete final look. I hope you like it, and please give a big thumbs up. So yeah, bye bye.